1984 Ward S-1700, I believe. It's got a 6.9 liter IDI. As you can see up under there, it's an ex-military bus. Go ahead and look inside and then we'll take a look at the rest of the outside. But as you can see, it's kind of in rough shape. It could be in much better shape. It's at a place kind of close to my house. It's a little auto sales place. They want $1,500 for it, but this bus has 62,359 original miles. And as you can see here, here's the switch panel, wiper wash, clearance lights, driver's light, dome light, heaters, defrost, auxiliary heat, heater booster, front heat, air, and temperature, because it does have air conditioning. So, oh, there we go. So, it's got an auto transmission. There's the fuse panel. But, yeah, so we'll go ahead and take a look at the outside. As you can see, well, my phone's running out of memory, so I'm kind of going a little fast. But, as you can see, it is a little bit crusty. Personally, I think $1,500 is a little much for this. But, you know, if it stays here long enough, I just might go for it. As you can see, it does have this older Ward style taillight assembly, I guess, where it's even with the side of the body. So, I don't have the keys or anything. The owner's not here. I called him, and he said I could take a look at it. So, I'm not going to try and open the hood or anything, but as you can see, you know, giant radiator, I think. But, you know, AC, it does have AC. That unit does look really rough. But it's an ex-military bus. I'm not sure what branch. But I do like this. It's got these poles right here instead of seat backs, you know. It's only a 48 passenger body. It's a little bit moldy in here, so it would need a good cleaning, but it was made on March 13th of '84. So it just turned 35. So this bus is about almost twice as old as me. So as you can see, I like these dome lights, though. That's very interesting. But I'm running out of memory, so I'm going to cut the video here. 1984 Ward S Series S-1700, I believe, maybe an 1800. I'll have to check. I'll put it in the title. But anyways, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, do all that. I got some stuff coming up on this channel really soon that I think you all will enjoy. So, thanks for watching.